What happens when the technology needed to stay competitive is the same technology that could expose an organization to legal and operational risk? Across Europe, enterprises are being pulled in two directions at once. They need advanced AI in daily work, yet the usual route to that power often depends on infrastructure and data movement they cannot safely accept. At the center of this tension is a deeper question about sovereignty, control, and trust. Can organizations adopt powerful intelligence without surrendering the very data, oversight, and compliance they are required to protect? With that tension in mind, European enterprises are facing a digital paradox. To remain competitive, organizations must integrate advanced large language models into their daily operations. But for highly regulated sectors, such as healthcare, public administration, and critical infrastructure, the current path to AI is broken. Relying on public cloud infrastructure introduces major regulatory bottlenecks, and it also brings geopolitical risks that become especially serious when sensitive operations depend on systems and data flows that cross borders. And that leads directly to the real cost of this model. Shipping sensitive, proprietary operational data across borders is no longer just a security vulnerability. Under modern European regulations, it is a legal liability. The result is a data egress nightmare that forces companies to choose between innovation and compliance. For regulated enterprises, that is not a theoretical dilemma. It becomes a daily constraint on how AI can be adopted, scaled, and trusted in real operational environments. Now, with that challenge clearly defined, KennisAI offers a different path. Developed by 8peaks, KennisAI is a 100% on-premise enterprise AI and knowledge engine built around one absolute mandate: zero data egress. It acts as the secure brain layer of digital infrastructure, allowing organizations to run powerful, custom LLMs directly inside their own trusted environments. Data never leaves their servers, models learn locally, and proprietary knowledge remains strictly under enterprise control. Building on that foundation, the larger value of KennisAI is that security and compliance are built in from the start. It is compliant by design, engineered to map against the GDPR and the EU AI Act, with deterministic audit trails for every action, query, and automated decision. That gives compliance officers transparent, explainable proof instead of a black box. In practice, this localized processing unlocks what public cloud AI cannot. Hospitals can analyze patient data. Defense organizations can run explainable workflows on high-performance compute nodes. And enterprises can centralize decades of proprietary R&D without risking intellectual property theft.